Hey guys, it's Kay. So I'm actually out today checking out some real estate, looking at some properties, and I'm just gonna pan around here. I don't know if you could see, but it's quite a rainy day here. All these houses along this block. Yeah, I'm checking out some of these houses today. I got a listing and just was doing some drive-by just to check some things out. So, a lot of people are at home right now. And the biggest thing you could do for yourself and your family is to really get something that you could own. Get a business, get something on the side, because as you realize, at any moment things could happen, and you definitely have to have a way of having money coming in and having multiple streams of income. So imagine if you had a business that was generating you some income, and you didn't really have to go anywhere, right? You didn't have the job, or even if you did have the job, that now that you're at home, you didn't have to go anywhere to make that money from that extra thing that you had on the side. So the business I've been making, passive income from is actually a $100 business that at the end of the video, I could put that link in the description. You could go check it out. Because what I'm doing with that business is actually, advertising for other people and helping people with that business to make money. So if you're interested in something like that, something that you could start right now that you're home. Because here's why you want to do that. A lot of people are home. And when they're home, you know what? They're on the computer system. And with the way the economy is now, with what's happening right now, a lot of people either are thinking of joining or starting an online business, or those who are already in an online business and not having any success are looking to find something that's a surefire way to make money from home. So you want to definitely get into something that's going to make, some money in a simple process, right? You don't want a lengthy, convoluted, crazy process. You're peddling lotions and you got to call people and talk to people. You want something simple that people get into, see a way they can make some money and immediate money and join. So the business I got down there is a $100 one-time business. That's it. You don't have to do any upgrades. You can really make some serious money by just a $100 investment, and you get to own this business for the life of the business. So, I'm out here looking at some real estate, and you know what? When you start making money, you got to think long term, and you got to think of using your money to make more money. And if you have $100 in your pocket, you have $100 that you say, you know what? I want to use this for the best. I want to maximize what I get from this $100. The best advice I can give you is to start an online business with that. Learn how to do marketing online, especially this time, this crazy time that, lots of people are home. You're possibly off yourself going, what am I going to do if something like this happens? Or can I weather this? And with this business being $100, you could definitely make some money, especially, people are in dire need right now, and they're going, for $100, if I can make, say, $1,000 a week, even $500 in the next, say, 2 weeks, they'll be ecstatic about that. And that this business allow that. In real estate, you got to plunk out some bigger monies up front in order to make, passive residual income coming every month. My suggestion to folks who are trying to, even branch out in real estate is definitely get something that allows it to fund your real estate. And what I found is, $100 business could definitely do that. So that's it for me now, guys. I think in another couple of videos, I might put some slideshows together to let you see some of the things that I'm looking at in terms of properties, and maybe break down how I look at these properties and how I think about, making a profit from them. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, give me a comment below if you're interested in stuff like that, or if you have any questions. And I certainly, make videos that will definitely give you answers to some of the things you're looking for. So bye for now. You're interested in making money, just $100 to get started, hit that link below and you'll get some more information.